How to fix what failed IntcOED.sys error on Windows 11. 1. Remove Intel Smart Sound Technology driver, Smart Sound Technology OED, from Device Manager. And for Surface Book users only. Roll back the audio controller, if you can. 3. Remove all recently installed feature update, S. Then download and run Microsoft's Show or Hide Troubleshooter. 4. Install every security update. 5. Deploy SFC and DISM scans, as admin. Commands include, sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check-healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 6. Installing the pending BIOS update. 7. Use a system restore point. 8. Repair, install or clean install Windows 11.